and races on Vivere from the outside, and Husteria down on the inside. Best of Chimay 2A Trinity Moon 2 Euro dollar. Straight Song Racing 6 rushing up Manhattan Bot Boy in between runners, and Caloocan Sprite is the early trailer. Vivere, Husteria, down on the inside, Trinity Moon, and running by the Best of Chimay Euro dollar. Street Song, rounding the far turn, Vivere, Husteria, moves out to take the lead. Husteria, Vivere, Trinity Moon, Best of Chimay Euro dollar, down on the inside, Trini, rising up the Street Song, as they race the final corner. Husteria, Vivere fighting it out for the lead. Husteria, Vivere down on the inside, Euro dollar. Both sneaking down on the inside, Trinity Moon and Best of Chimay in between runners. And nearing the finish line, Vivere, Best of Chimay, Trinity Moon is on the outside. Best of Chimay, second, Trinity Moon, Vivere, Botbo, Street Song, Husteria, Caloocan Sprite, and Manhattan.